Alright guys, we're gonna talk about these. Hello guys, Happy New Year, and I am uploading again isa sa mga favorite kong shoes last year na nakuha ko on sale. These are the Nike GT Cut 3, the third iteration ng GT Cut series. Overall for me, napaka-solid ito sapatos na to, and then we'll break it down one by one to see why and kung sulit ba ang presyo na to. For now, they are now on sale sa Foot Locker. Meron ako nakikitang mga pair nito na sale for up to 40% off. So from the original price of like 10k down to 6,000 pesos plus. So yeah, very sulit guys. Kung magugustuhan yung review na to, gusto nyo i-try, sobrang worth it niya. So yep, first off, we're going to talk about the upper material. Yung upper material niya is very minimal. You can see it here. It's using some kind of like a dito sa gitna all the way to the tongue. It's kind of like an synthetic nubuck parang feeling na kind of material. Hindi siya sobrang padded as you take a look here, pero pag sinuot mo siya, sobrang lambot niya. It does its job very well when it comes to the excuse me, to the side of the shoe from the middle tsaka lateral. Makikita niyo itong mesh kind of material and some overlay. Ayan. Tapos makikita nyo yung ventilation hole niya. Actually, hindi siya design. If you take a look here, makikita nyo yung butas niya dito. Pero naharangan siya nitong material ng tongue. So as far as ventilation goes, meron siyang ventilation. Well ventilated siya dito lang sa side, kung saan pumapasok yung hangin na hindi naharangan itong hindi naharangan itong tang na to. So overall, yung material niya, hindi siya sobrang premium in a way for its price point, unlike na kapag bumili ka ng let's say Jordan 40 nowadays, or yung previous model ng Lebron, which is using synthetic leather pero some nice leather. Hindi siya ganun. But they made it feel na comfortable ka, pero at the same time lightweight kasi sobrang gaan ito sa kamay at saka sa paa. Tapos we're going to talk about my next favorite part. Ang pinaka-favorite part ko na is yung cushioning. It is using a full-length Zoom X na may pylon carrier. So yung extent ng niya, hindi ko alam kung paano ko explain to yung niya, itong gilid niya dito is pylon foam or EVA na mas matigas siya na foam, and then inside nun dito banda meron siyang full length na Zoom X. So on foot, feeling niya sobrang lambot, sobrang comfortable niya. So kahit wala siyang Zoom Air or airbag na kahit ano dito, sobrang lambot niya. Kasi kung mag-add ka ng Zoom Air like what they did on the Jordan 39, medyo nagkakaroon siya ng some kind of instability pag pinagsama yung Zoom X. Hopefully in the future siguro magkakaroon sila ng iteration ng Zoom X wherein it's going to be a little bit stiffer, like different kind of compression, para siguro kapag isinama siya sa Zoom Air is magiging mas malambot siya. So ayun, cushioning sobrang solid niya. Ito talaga yung main point ng nung highlight ng shoe, which is yung full length Zoom Air. And then we're going to the actual traction itself. So if you take a look at the traction, it's using a herringbone, some kind of a herringbone traction pattern. So yung niya, as far as like the traction is concerned, I play with them outdoors. These are the EP versions. So solid naman siya, maganda siya ipanglaro. So been playing with this for a long time now. Pero makikita niyo meron siyang mga hindi siya sa pudpud, pero may mga times na hindi ko kung kuha to, medyo may nag-chip na goma siya dito sa gilid. Itong part na to. So ayun, ingat lang sa kung ipanglalaro nyo to on an outdoor surface, kasi yung nilalaroan ko is siya, medyo rough yung surface niya. Ayun, baka merong medyo uneven na surface na napag-anuhan, napalala ang strike ko, then yun, na-chip yung goma. So ayun, kung maglalaro kayo nito outdoor, better yet kung yung kind of court na medyo rubberized kind of court na makinis, walang rough edges yung court. So ito siguro solid dito, pero yun, kung sa medyo pang harabas na kind of court, hindi ko siya i-recommend, especially in the price point. Tapos additional thing about the material is it's actually for torsional support. It's actually using this small piece ng plate na to, then extends all the way to the forefoot as a spring plate. So not only it provides you the torsional rigidity, if you take a look, hindi ko matwist yung sapatos, so supportive siya in that way. Yung spring plate na to, it also helps you in a way na pag naglalaro ka sa court, mas mabilis yung takbo mo from north to south, as in yung isang direction. Mararamdaman mo na pinopropel ka nitong spring plate na to. Considering na yung profile ng sapatos is medyo close to the ground din, yung court feel mo okay, tapos plus yung spring plate, I really do feel na mabilis talaga sa sapatos na to. I do have some issues though, especially yung kapag nasa depensa ako, defending shifty players. Syempre, pag medyo shifty yung dinedefend mo na hindi mo maiiwasan yung mga times na you're going side to side. So dito sa part na to, medyo nakakaramdam ako ng some kind of instability. So ayun, watch out lang dun guys. Pero overall naman, hindi naman nagro-roll yung angle ko na whatsoever. Mararamdaman ko lang na medyo naging unstable ako bigla, then manage to recover naman. So I'm not sure kung ako lang nakaka-experience na medyo parang mayroon siyang some kind of lateral instability. Pero kung titignan niyo, wide yung base niya hindi wala siyang lateral flange per se, pero yung mismong base ng kanyang is malapad. So ayun, so siguro sobrang lambot ng cushion, medyo lumulubog yung paa ko, ganun. So ayun, but overall the setup of the shoe is great. So ayun, maganda siya. I'm going to show you guys the on-foot view over here. On-foot view ng GT Cut 3. The silhouette, mukha siyang running shoes, pero solid siya sa basketball option. So ang basketball talaga siya, mukha lang siya running shoes. Squeak test. Sobrang squeaky. Yan sa para sa to. So ayun nga, Kung nagustuhan nyo guys yung sapatos na to, like I said, on Foot Locker and some of the Nike websites, not only this version is on sale. Nakita ko rin na yung GT Cut 3 Turbo, which is yung next version niya, is also on sale. However, it's not that much. It's only for at least like up to 20%. So, ayun, just go to the website and grab it. Hopefully, meron na nito sa mga, haven't checked it yet sa mga outlets. But, for sure, makikita natin sa mga outlets. Just in case, keep an eye on that. And then, kung makakita kayo na murang deal, you can place a comment on the comment section. Or if nagustuhan niyo to, please subscribe to my channel. It's still growing, and thank you for the 52 subscribers so far na nagsusubscribe sa channel ko. Again, my name is Mon from the Sneaks Drop. And this is your one-stop tipid sneakers channel. So have a happy new year guys, and stay safe always. Bye now.